In other countries, there are people who hire you for dog walking, or they are helping other people with house chores. This is the day. This is how creators and non-creators can make money on Sundays. When I talk about Sundays, by the way, blessed Sunday, everybody, blessed Sunday, my family, my online family. You guys, did you know that Sunday is one of the most profitable days of the week for side hustles and passive income? No, me before I didn't know. I always thought that Sunday is a day of resting, looking for friends, eating together, get together. That's what I used to think alone. I didn't know that alongside that, you can make money with these Sunday holidays. So according to the recent data, when I started doing making money online, when I really discovered it, this data, over 60% of people who work extra on Sundays can earn between 100 to 500 just by dedicating a few hours to the right opportunities. You believe it, even if you're in the corporate world, you earn more money than the other people. And even if you're a creator, you're earning extra because of the reason that I'm going to be telling you. You know that on Sundays, most people are relaxing, so you can be among the 1 to 5% of people that say, no, since people are at home and are just browsing, they are looking through their phones and on this social media platform, let me give them what suits them, and I make money out of it. And here is the kicker: both content creators and non-creators can tap into this Sunday gold mine without much effort, by the way. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can make money in different ways on Sunday, whether you're a YouTube creator, whether you're a freelancer, or you're just someone looking for easy ways to boost your weekly income. Talk about daily income. In this step-by-step, I can call it a tutorial, I can call it a talk, call it. Let's look at these 10 ways. The first way is to offer weekend-specific services. For non-creators, Sundays are perfect for offering services like babysitting, dog walking. I came to learn about dog walking when I went for greener pastures, but back home, I knew, how do I dog walk? I'd be kicking it to run away. But in other countries, there are people who hire you for dog walking, or they are helping other people with house chores. This is the day that you can do that. Apps like TaskRabbit and Care.com are filled with Sunday job requests. If you know you don't have it, you're like in my locality, or most of the people also do the work for themselves, please go to TaskRabbit and Care.com. You get some of these tasks. Many clients pay a premium for helping for others to help them on weekends. So even if it is a few hours, you can make at least $100 or more. Even if I don't go to talk about this so much, if you're in Dubai, you know, most people in Dubai, especially weekends, if you go to high-end residents, they always hire people to do such things in weekends, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Even those people who want to go to clubs, people who want to go to visit their friends, they are looking for you. For creators, you can offer, that one was not for creators, but for creators, you can offer consultations of virtual meetups on Sundays. If you're not like me who work on Sunday sometimes. For example, if you're a content creator, you could host exclusive workshops or live question and answer sessions with your audience, charging some amounts of money. You can charge $10 to $20 per participant, which can easily add up depending on your influence. Don't misquote me. Don't be having an audience like mine and you say you're going to charge. You're going to get like 2 or 1 person. So the second way for you to make money on Sunday, you leverage with social media trends. Sunday sees a spike in social media activity, believe it or not, with people scrolling through Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook. Oh, non-creators, you people, start selling products or promoting affiliate links on platforms like Facebook, Marketplace. Then we have Instagram, we have TikTok. Since engagement is high, even a small following can lead you to significant sales. Creators, you people, apart from the people who are selling products and services, creators use the engagement of weekend to spike at least your content, which is already posted and even monetized. Whether it is a YouTube video with ads, a sponsored Instagram post, or a TikTok with affiliate links, Sundays can maximize your revenue. Believe it or not. You guys, monetize a weekend specific content if you're a creator. Creators, Sundays are ideal for creating content tailored to weekend relaxing or preparation for upcoming week. These vlogs about Sunday routine, meal preparing, productivity hacks, videos or posts with these themes tend to get a higher views and engagement on Sundays. So please do it. And for you non-creators, you can jump it. If you're not a creator, don't mind. You can still use these platforms like Medium or Substack to write about these topics. You just write without creating any video. You don't need a large audience. Many writers earn around $50, $200 monthly through consistent weekend contributions. Then we have also selling of products or templates. You're a creator. If you're not a creator, this is the right platform for you. Creators today on Sundays, as I shoot and I premiere this video, you can create simple products like printable planners, meal prep guides, or study schedules. Use platforms like Etsy to sell these items. Sundays are great for designing and uploading them, as many buyers look for resources to get organized for the week that comes ahead. Then for you creators, promote your existing digital products if you have them. What are digital products? We have like ebooks, we have like courses, or we even have presets. On Sundays, this is a very best day for you to do this. People often spend time online looking for tools to improve their week, as well as timing with well-timed and trimmed promotions. These ones can drive you at least can drive for you sales. We have the fifth one as how to maximize and use Sunday to make money. You can participate in paid online activities. What are online activities? I've been talking about these online activities for non-creators. Please, Sundays are a great day to complete paid surveys. I've already seen your comments in the comment section saying surveys they need more time to be completed. So this is the right day for you not to go. Even if you're at the beach, you are anywhere, you are in a hotel relaxing, test apps, review website, and you can use platforms like Swagback, user testing, Survey Junkie. These platforms can help you earn at least from $10 to $50 in just a couple of hours. For creators, use the platform for additional income, or better yet, create content about them, like what I'm doing right now. For example, making a tutorial on how to earn money through these platforms could generate for you some good income. Both you can use affiliate income and revenue. For me, this is what I'm doing, teaching you about them. Rent out your staff or space. This is the sixth way for you to create more money bucks on Sundays. Non-creators, if you're not using your car, why are you parking it in your garage? Tools or even spare rooms on Sundays can be rented out. Rent them out through platforms. What are these platforms? I know this is what you are going to ask me. We have platforms like Turo, we have platform like Sprinista, and we have platform like Airbnb. These services, especially, they are very special and they have a high demand over the weekend. Creators, please, you can monetize this idea by creating a video on how to, like what I'm doing right now. How-to content is very marketable and it is paid highly by advertisers. Content about these rental services, for instance, is like a YouTube video on how to earn $200 every weekend renting out your bike, can generate views, and you also put for them a process on how it can generate $200. Then the seventh way to make money on Sunday is to create or promote Sunday specific deals. Non-creators, you guys, if you are in sales or you work with small business, even if you're not working anywhere, you can use this day. Sundays is perfect for creating special or promotions that you can offer. Offer discounts or limited time deals to attract customers. And you creators like me, use your platforms to promote Sundays on deals for affiliate products. Many companies run weekend campaigns, and even Sunday conversions are typically high. Even if it is a physical shop, Sundays, they always have a high conversion and a high footfall. So expect to have footfall today. Expect this video. I expect this video to go extra mile as far as conversion and even watch duration is concerned. You guys, you've reached on this stage without liking. Please like this video. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Let's continue and see. Really guys, as you creators, what do you think you can do on Sundays and what can't you do on Sundays? If you know you can do something out of these 7 things of 7 ways of earning money, we earn money like $500 or $200 on Sunday. Please write it in the comments section. So whether you're a creator or not, Sundays are packed with opportunities to earn extra income, from offering services and revealing social media trends to monetize digital products and renting out your stuff. There is something for everybody, irrespective of what an excuse that you'll put on your table. Don't let your Sunday go to waste. Whether you're in bed, you don't want to come out, start small, start consistent, and you could easily turn this often overloaded day into one of your most profitable days of the weekend. Do you know today I didn't want to do a video? I didn't want to premiere a video, but I was like, no, we can make money out of this. Guys, did you find this video profitable? Did you find it resourceful or helpful? Please go down, share it. Comment as many comments. Put your minds in the comment section. See you in another video. Nice weekend ahead of us.